Hi guys, so I'm going to show you my everyday go-to makeup when I just want to look refreshed. So let's get into it. So step one is I do my usual skincare every morning, and then I use my facial sunscreen by Dr. Gobag. And to prime my face, because I am going to apply a light layer of makeup, I use my Revlon Photoready Prime Plus. And I've already done that, so my next step is to do my brows. Using my Studio Pro Shade and Define Duo Brow Pencil from BH Cosmetics and just a normal spoolie. Now that my brows are filled, I'm going to take my Essence Lash and Brow Gel Mascara. I swear by this. This is amazing. And I'm just going to set my brows with that. Next, I'm going to move on to my skin, and what I usually do is I take my concealer and I'm going to use the Fit Me by Maybelline. Love this stuff. This is in the shade 30. Under my eyes. Taking my Squish Beauty Blender from Switch Beauty, and I'm just going to blend that. Now that that's blended, I'm going to take my Catrice Cosmetics Loose Banana Powder, and I'm just going to set my whole face. Now that I've set my face, I'm going to go in with my Revlon Berry Berry Blush, and I'm just going to apply some of that onto my cheeks. This is so pigmented, so go in with a light hand. Put on my nose. I'm going to end off this look by setting all of that light base with my Lasting Fix by Maybelline. I love this stuff. And what I do is I go in back with my beauty blender and I just make sure that's nice and set. For my lips, I'm going to use Transform by Untitled, and this is an amazing lip balm. Just apply that all over my lips. So usually I would finish my look off with mascara, but as you can see, I've got lash extensions, and I did this at home with a brand called Lash Life by Zoe. Super easy, beautiful, love the lashes, love the fresh face. And that's it for my 5 to 10 minute get ready look in the morning. Have a lovely day, everyone. Bye.